Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up persistent volumes using Docker on VPS. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To set up persistent volumes using Docker on a virtual private server, start by accessing your VPS. Use SSH to connect to your server. Once logged in, ensure that Docker is installed. You can verify this by running the command docker version. If Docker is not installed, follow the official installation guide for your operating system. Next, create a directory on your server to hold your persistent data. You can do this using the command dir/path/ to your directory. Replace /path/ to your directory with your preferred path. After creating the directory, it's time to create a Docker volume. Use the command docker volume create my_volume. Replace my_volume with a name of your choice to identify the volume later. Now, you can run a Docker container with the persistent volume attached. Use the command docker run dv my_volume with /data name my_container my_image. Replace my_container with your desired container name and my_image with the image you want to run. The V flag indicates the volume to be used and where it will be mounted inside the container. Now, if you write data to the /data directory inside your container, it will persist in the volume. To check if the volume is working, execute docker exec at my_container/bin/bash. Navigate to the /data directory inside the container. You can now create a file or write data. Exit the container and run a new container with the same volume to verify persistence. Run the command docker run at v my_volume /data rm my_image /bin/bash. Navigate to the /data directory again. You should see the files created earlier. This confirms that your persistent volume is set up correctly. Lastly, to list your Docker volumes, use the command docker volume ls. Now you have successfully set up persistent volumes using Docker on your VPS. Your data will remain even if you stop or remove the containers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.